If you look at Kansas, we have a real issue that we're facing, which is a demographic challenge. The state of Kansas is aging faster than the rest of the nation on average, and so we need to figure out how to grow the Kansas economy if we're going to be able to provide for what is going to be an increasingly dependent population. And a big part of that has to do with having a proactive strategy around economic development. I would say what we've done in the past have been a series of tactics. You know, we want to do a tax cut. Well, that's a tactic. That's not a coherent strategy. In fact, as a business person who spent a lot of time trying to figure out where to locate companies, where to put plants, I can tell you taxes are one of the things that we consider, but not the only thing that gets considered. So, first and foremost, I think we need to have a proactive economic development strategy that grows the state of Kansas. The way I would approach that is the same way I would approach it in any of my businesses, by starting by saying, what are our strengths? What are those things that we can naturally leverage and that make Kansas unique and special? And that starts with Kansas being at the geographic center of the United States at a time when our economy is quickly moving from a bricks and mortar to a distributed economy. We should be the distribution capital of America. We also have access to lots of low-cost manufacturing inputs in the form of agricultural products, dairy products. We've got low-cost energy in the state. We've got 3 Class 1 railroads that travel through Kansas. We should be the intermodal manufacturing capital of America. But we're only going to be those things if we have policies that reinforce the opportunity that we have.